Morning, everybody. I'm working in the office here, the Central Command Station. I'm actually on site. I've been working through some things grade-wise for the base on the asphalt on both sections of roads. We had a couple of concerns from the engineer working through those and some cross-slope percentages, etc. So I planned on being here. I have 2 meetings today. I've already got one done. Check it out. I showed you guys inside on TikTok. That was at 10 o'clock, and I've got another pre-bid walkthrough at 2 o'clock. But other than that, I brought my stuff today to hang out here at the airport. You guys have been hearing me harp about getting this thing done. We've got to get out of here, and the guys have been doing a great job topsoiling everything. Number one thing is we've got to get these dadgum access roads paved. So we're working on that, working with the asphalt team to ensure that grades are exactly where they need to be. And other than that, we've got some punch list items, cleaning out trickle channels, making sure everything's flowing off this job correctly. Any disturbance areas that we messed up with the machine, making sure we're cleaning up our work areas, especially here at the airport within those TOFA lines. So that's kind of what we're working on today. I'm answering emails, going through CRM, and doing everything from the truck today, which I kind of enjoy sometimes, just being out here and being around it. Work environment, right? There's something to speak for it. So, guys, I really appreciate you been hanging out with us for some time. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button below. It really helps the channel. Hip! Hip! Right. Hey, Jorge!
How are you?
Pretty good, buddy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Learning some storm pipe, huh? Finally, doing some pipe.
Fun stuff, dude. Storm.
The rest of the year, I'm telling you, it's gonna feel like forever until we start all this pipe stuff. And then once it starts, you guys are gonna be like, oh my God, can we get one day just not laying pipe? Sorry, slammer home, boys. That's a lot of gravel on either side.
So the big reason for it was to bridge this over. That way we can start getting rid of this.
No. I totally understand, but we may just be digging with too big a bucket. We may dig with the 138 in bed with the 360 or something.
Right.
This is clean though. If I was you, I'd be hey, we just know it's gonna rain for 7 inches, you know.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So you can catch some of the silt or something. No, that looks super good. Nice marks, 10-foot offset from the center.
Yep. And then our 5-foot got stopped.
Yeah. No, that looks good. That looks really, really, really good. So essentially now we've gone from dirt operations. Sam's up there on the pad. You can see him. He's still cutting blue top. You got Ishmael, you got Nate and Jorge. They're sitting in here. We got to get Jorge some shirts. My bad. Let me get you some shirts. He said next time. I'm ordering vests and shirts. It's coming. But now we've started all our drainage, storm drainage, which is the deepest section of all of the utilities that we're going to lay in. We're going to keep our storm drain going, get it laid to where it needs to go, get everything buried there. Then Bobby's going to come in and pour his cast-in-place box here. And then from there, we're going to start water and sewer back behind it. So it'll all follow itself. But when you start layering as an underground contractor, you always want to lay the deepest, if you can, deepest utility first. That only makes sense in the process, right?
tunnel along and stuff.